Okay, what is up everyone, this is Ken here back with a new video. We're going to talk about another Magisk module here, which is one of the most useful Magisk modules out there. As always, credits and etc, download links and etc, everything is already in the description. You can check out my website www.techcurrent.co.in. We are talking about a Magisk module. Let me show you something. You can see we have a tile called xc underscore switch. What is this tile and how you can use this xc switch tile? I'll tell you all about this thing. Maybe you've already heard about this, but if you haven't, so make sure to watch this. If you click this, I've turned off this once and I didn't got any kind of notification yet. But let me show you one thing. If I go here, sorry for this, if I go here and click this, and now I'll see a notification called X charge mode slow, which means now my charging mode is now changed to slow charging mode. Of course, the temperature will also be in control after enabling this. The previous one was medium. You can switch these charging modes by just clicking on that simple quick setting tile, and this is quite useful. This is Magisk module. How to install this, I'm going to talk about this, so stay tuned. And you just saw this, we have changed all this thing. If you click this once again, now the mode is automatically changed to fast. It was previously at medium, then I changed it to slow, now it's fast. You can change it by simply just tapping there for once. This is quite useful, and this is one of the useful Magisk modules available right now for all of the Android devices in 2021. So make sure to install this if you want to. The module which we are talking about here is called X Charge module by SPDX027. Everything, credits, etc, I always give, and sometimes I forget, so make sure to remind me. I'll always add those credits in my website again. Here we have this module. How to install this? I've already uninstalled this to show you that how you can install this. Move on here, click on install from storage, and here select the file. Once you need to press the volume key, and you can select any charging mode, slow, medium or fast, whatever. To change these modes, it's quite easy. You just saw at the start of the video, you simply need to click one tile and then you're good to go. How to edit that tile, how to add that tile, we're going to talk about that right now. I've installed this module once now, and now we need to reboot our device. This is the main thing, because after installation of the module, rebooting is necessary. We've already rebooted our device, and now you can also use alternate method called Termux, but we're going to talk about the Franco kernel manager right now. So move on here, click on this, and here we have the scripts manager option available for you. Now we have these three tiles available. You can choose any one, tile 1, tile 2, tile 3, it's up to you. We already have used the tile 1 one, so I'm not going to use that. I'm going to choose tile 2. Click this and choose xc underscore switch. Good, you are done. And now move on to a quick settings panel. Click on the edit icon, and sorry for this, I think I double tapped this, so the display was turned off. And here move on to this and click this one called script 2 Franco kernel manager. Click this and it's imported successfully. Depends upon which custom ROM you are using, if you're having this option or not. Click this once, it will automatically open, and then you will see we had enabled the fast module, and it's changed to the medium one. Like this, you can do a lot of things. This was all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.